Meaning of dyne.
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 Dyne. In physics, a dyne is a unit of force in the centimeter-gram-second (CGS) system of units. It is defined as the force required to accelerate a mass of 1 gram at a rate of 1 centimeter per second squared. 1 dyne is equal to 10 to the power of -5 newtons in the International System of Units, SI, which is the standard system of measurement used in most of the world. The dyne is a small unit of force and is rarely used in modern scientific research, but it is still used in some engineering and technical fields where the CGS system is preferred over SI units.